Please subscribe my channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah, so hi all, good morning, good evening. So this is not a type of lecture or any demo class, but this is a simple shout out for our upcoming course, which is a new Python course for this 2026. As you are noticing that we are not uploading our videos till now because we are working on our course to make it more reliable, easy to learn and all these things. So so let me show you our channel also, that we are not uploading our videos till now, but from now our videos will come regularly. You can stay tuned to our channel so that you will reach all the videos. This is a simple shout out for the Python course that we are coming up with in few days. It will take some time. Okay, so the course content of the Python course is the following here. Okay, so the trainer is our ARBP Cloud Technologies only. We have experience for 15 years, 15 plus years, and location is remote. So course description is the courses of Python. This Python training program is designed to prepare the candidates to become confident Python developers. This Python end-to-end real-time job-oriented training covers the Python fundamental core programming concepts, object-oriented programming, file handling, error handling, all the popular libraries that are there in Python. In this, in the end of the course, you will learn how to develop GUI, how to do web development using Python, different libraries, OOP, object-oriented programming, how to handle files, how to read and write the files using Python. After completing the course, we will also provide you all the interview questions, all the questions that you need for practicing projects. After doing every topic, we will give you some projects. Like this is first topic, Python basics completed. There will be a project. When you will complete this project, then only you can move further for the second topic. And for every project we will give you 1 week of time. Okay, the program will be of for 75 days, 75 hours, or from 40 to 40 to I think so 60 days it will take the program. Software, these are the software installation you need to install before joining our courses if you need to learn Pythons. Okay, class will be on based on the Zoom, so you need to have the Zoom installed. This is a course content that we will cover in our lectures. Okay, and these are the course contents. I will provide the link in the description. You can access the course content. Okay, if you need. And we will also provide the end-to-end notes of every topic. Like let me show you the first topic. Here we have what, which is the topic first? Python basics. Here as you can see, Python basics notes, end-to-end notes for every topic we have. Okay, every point to point topics, every sentences, everything will be covered in our Python course. So if you need to enroll, please proceed to our channel. Okay, here as you can see, here you can click. These are our links for our this is our blog post. Okay, here this is our blog post. We have all the useful things here, pages, PL SQL, all the daily useful links also you can see, and we have the WhatsApp, YouTube, all the links provided here. Okay, and from the blog post here you can fill our course enrollment form. Okay, which course you need to learn. You can pay, do the payments, and attach your transaction details here, and you can also leave the comments. Okay, like your name, email here, address, phone number. Okay, what courses you need to learn. We have the multiple choices also here. If you need to learn all the courses like this Python also you need to learn with PL SQL, these all choices we also have, you can learn. Okay, we are providing you all the links here: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp. You can follow us on this also. This is our form from the code. From our blog post you can access this. Okay. Let me show you one more. And if you have any doubts like how we are teaching, you can see our videos. Okay, we have uploaded all the videos here. We have made the playlists also, so it will be not difficult for you to access it. These are the full playlists made for you. Okay, so from and we have the full course of Informatica Power Center uploaded here. No need to go anywhere, no need to pay. You can learn from here, and you don't need the recorded videos, so you can pay and learn from us for Informatica Power Center. Every course, everything we pay. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next lecture we will proceed with our first topic, that is our Python basics. Okay, all these topics we will do small only, but all the topics we will. Oh, oh. How do you make a life without getting by? All of the stars